Every single time the break room microwave looks like a Jackson Pollock painting made out of fruit mush, who gets blamed? Me. Every single time. Like I'm the only one in this office who eats bananas? Please. You know who else likes bananas? Deborah in accounting. But no, it's always, oh, it must have been Karl. Look at this. Who does this? It's like someone tried to make banana soup with dynamite. Because it's bananas, it's gotta be me? That's racist. Also, seriously, what moron puts bananas in the microwave anyway? Man, I miss the jungle.